Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Android customization to supercharge your phone's audio experience. If you're a true audiophile or just someone who appreciates crystal clear, immersive sound, this video is for you. We're going to walk you through the precise steps to install the Mi Sound and Dolby Atmos Redmi K40 Magisk module on virtually any rooted Android phone. Before we dive into the installation process, let's lay the groundwork and go over the essential requirements you'll need to have in place. First and foremost, your phone absolutely needs to have either Magisk or kernel SU installed. These are the foundations for systemless modifications on Android. Now, for the best possible experience and to avoid potential headaches, especially if your ROM is read-only, we highly recommend using Magisk Delta or Kitsune Mask if you're running a non-MIUI ROM. It's absolutely critical that you first install the MIUI Core Magisk module. This module provides the foundational libraries necessary for the Mi Sound features to function correctly on non-MIUI systems. You'll also need the Mi Sound EQ itself. A quick note here, if you're not on a MIUI ROM, you might still see the Mi Sound user interface, but the actual effects won't apply. For the Mi Sound component to work, your device needs to be running Android 8 or a newer version. And this is important, you must have an earphone or headphone connected for the Mi Sound equalization features to activate and become effective. Alright, with all the prerequisites and warnings out of the way, let's dive into the actual installation process. Follow these steps carefully before installing anything new. Take a moment to remove any other existing Dolby Magisk modules that have a different name. After removing any conflicting modules, perform a reboot of your device. This ensures a clean slate before proceeding. This is crucial for non-MIUI users. If you are on a non-MIUI ROM, you must install the MIUI Core Magisk module first. Now for the main event. Go ahead and install this module using your preferred method via the Magisk app, the kernel SU app, or through recovery if Magisk is installed. The process is straightforward. Just navigate to the modules section and select the downloaded file. This step is optional but important if you're a power user. Only install the AML Magisk module if you are running any other audio, -1 module alongside this one. If you are a kernel SU user, you must disable unmount modules by default in your kernel SU app settings. Once all the preceding steps are completed, perform one final reboot of your phone, and that's it. Once your phone powers back up, you should now have the full, rich power of Mi Sound and Dolby Atmos integrated into your device. We hope this detailed guide helps you transform your Android audio. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy listening!